Boy, Keenan Plays back again with another video, guys. You know what it is. And today, I'm gonna be talking about the Razer Seiren, mic, USB mic itself. Yes, man, the USB mic, bro. You need to get this mic if you have $80 hanging around. I feel like this mic. I used to have like a snowball, and I feel like this mic is better than a snowball. Just my opinion, you know, because a snowball. When I have my snowball, it costs $60. That's the, but the mic sounds muffled, right? See, I'm talking in this mic right now. It's smooth, but on my, if you go to my old videos on my other channel, it sounds so muffled, and it sounds like, literally, it sounds like I'm talking to somebody else's phone. It sounds crazy though. But let me get to it. So the Seiren, it has 3 parts to it. Once you unbox it, has like 3 parts that you just need to put it together. And then once you put it together, one thing that you're gonna notice is the volume. You twist it. Is when you put the head jack in. All right, so like let's say you put your head jack in, you can literally hear yourself talking. Literally hear your own voice with it, which is kind of cool though. And then like you can like adjust it if you want to like hear your voice high or low. You want it. And then, another thing that you're gonna notice is a mute button, right? If it's green, means people can hear you. If it's red, nobody can hear you. What else? Another thing is that the top of the mic is plastic and the bottom is metal. So the top is all plastic, the bottom is metal. When I first got this mic, I thought the whole thing, I thought the whole thing was metal, but it's very thick on the top and then metal on the bottom. Another thing is that this mic is only a condenser microphone. USB microphone. It comes with 3 different modes, right? I'm not exactly sure what the 3 modes are, but this is a condenser microphone. You only can hear me through like the front of the microphone, not really like the back of the microphone. Like if I'm typing on the keyboard right now, like you can probably hear it, but you're not gonna hear it as much. So that's the what you're gonna get. To be honest, of the mic itself, it's pretty short. It's as big as my, like height wise, it's as big as my hand. And I don't really have that big of, I don't mic as big, but like it's as big as my hand, just to give you an idea. It's not that big of a mic, and it looks pretty slick and nice too. Like people say like this mic doesn't look that nice, but it actually looks pretty. Looking at the mic, it's a mic for $80. I mean, what can I say? Like this mic is not gonna fail you for real. Another thing that I don't really like about it is that you gotta hear yourself, or in order to like talk to somebody. I feel like, I mean, not talk to somebody in order to hear them. So I have to plug in my headphones in the Seiren just to hear the person, instead of plugging my headphones into my PS4 controller to hear somebody else, right? Because when I had my blue snowball, I didn't need to like plug headphones in the blue snowball. You don't have to do that. You could just directly into the PS4 controller. Whereas for this one, is like you got to plug it to the Seiren to hear the person, right? And to hear yourself, which is a bonus. But some people don't really care about like them hearing themselves and all that. I feel like it's just a bonus with it. Another thing is that this mic is pretty, oh man, like it's way better than this. It's the only mic I could really compare it to. It's like way better. It's like you can't even compare it no more because it's so smooth. The snowball is so rough. So this your boy Keenan Plays. Make sure you like, subscribe,